Why smart entrepreneurs are building AI systems instead of startups. Most people think the next billion-dollar idea starts with a startup. A small team, a pitch deck, funding rounds, and a race to scale faster than everyone else. For years, that was the formula. But something strange is happening right now in the world of technology and entrepreneurship. Some of the smartest builders, the quiet ones, the ones who used to chase startups, they're not launching companies anymore. They're building AI systems, not apps, not platforms, not traditional businesses. And those systems are quietly doing something startups struggle to do. They run 24 hours a day. They scale instantly. And sometimes, they make more money than an entire startup team. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. Many of these systems are built by one person. Before we go deeper into this shift that's changing entrepreneurship, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy learning about the real future of technology, business, and AI, you'll love what's coming next. Because the story behind this shift is bigger than most people realize. For the past 2 decades, startups were the dream. Build a product, raise venture capital, hire a team, grow fast. But startups come with a hidden cost most people never see. Pressure, investors want growth, users want constant updates, competitors appear overnight. And suddenly, the founder who started with a simple idea is now managing employees, meetings, operations, marketing, customer support. Instead of building, many founders slowly become managers of chaos. And that's exactly why something new started to appear. Around 2022, when tools like large language models, automation platforms, and AI APIs became accessible, a small group of developers and entrepreneurs began experimenting with a different approach. Instead of building a company, they started building automated intelligence, systems that could research, systems that could write, systems that could analyze data, systems that could run entire workflows with almost no human involvement. At first, it looked like simple productivity hacks, a script that summarizes news, a tool that generates marketing content, a bot that analyzes market trends. But then something unexpected happened. These small tools started connecting together. One AI writes content, another publishes it, another analyzes performance, another improves the strategy. Suddenly, it wasn't a tool anymore. It was a system, and systems behave very differently than businesses. A startup grows by hiring people. A system grows by adding capability. One entrepreneur in the UK built an automated research system that scans financial data, writes market insights, and distributes them to paid subscribers. He doesn't have a team, no office, no meetings, just a system that works while he sleeps. Another developer in Australia built a content engine powered by AI. It researches trending topics, writes articles, optimizes them for search engines, and publishes them across multiple websites automatically. That system now generates thousands of visitors every day. No editorial team, no marketing department, just algorithms working together. And in the United States, some entrepreneurs are building something even more powerful. AI agents that coordinate other AI tools. Think about that for a moment. A system that manages other systems. The reason this works is simple. Startups require constant human energy. AI systems require design. Once the architecture is right, the system keeps operating, improving, learning, scaling. But the real reason smart entrepreneurs are choosing this path isn't just automation. It's freedom. Traditional startups trap founders inside operations. AI systems free them from it. Instead of spending their day answering emails or managing teams, these builders focus on one thing: designing better systems. And when a system works, they don't just grow it, they duplicate it. One system becomes 3. 3 systems become 10, each one performing a different task. Research, content, lead generation, data analysis, customer support, a network of automated intelligence quietly running in the background. And here's where things start to get even more interesting. Because the next evolution of this idea isn't just systems that automate tasks. It's systems that make decisions. Right now, entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley and London are experimenting with AI frameworks that allow software agents to plan strategies, test ideas, and adjust their own workflows. Instead of being told exactly what to do, the system figures it out. And that raises a question most people haven't thought about yet. If a single person can design a network of AI systems that researches, creates, markets, and optimizes, what exactly does a company look like in the future? Because the next generation of entrepreneurs might not build startups at all. They might build something far more powerful, autonomous business systems, and the first people building them right now are discovering something that could redefine entrepreneurship forever. Because once a system can make decisions, the entire idea of a company begins to change. For centuries, businesses were built around people. Managers made plans, teams executed tasks, analysts studied results. Everything depended on human coordination. But an intelligent system works differently. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't forget processes, and it doesn't wait for meetings to move forward. If it sees a pattern in data, it reacts immediately. This is where the smartest entrepreneurs are focusing their attention. They're no longer asking, "What product should I build?" They're asking a different question. What system could run this entire process without me? Imagine a digital system that scans thousands of online conversations every day. It detects emerging trends before they become mainstream. Then another part of the system turns those insights into content. Another system distributes that content across platforms. Another analyzes engagement and adjusts the strategy automatically. And another converts attention into leads or revenue. What you're looking at isn't a business in the traditional sense. It's an autonomous growth engine. And this is already happening. A solo founder in California built an AI-powered lead generation system that researches companies, writes personalized outreach messages, and sends them automatically. The system adapts its tone based on responses. It improves its strategy every week. Today, it generates thousands of qualified leads for businesses. The founder didn't build a startup. He built a machine that produces opportunity. And the machine keeps running. This shift is creating a new type of entrepreneur. Not the loud founder chasing headlines. Not the CEO managing hundreds of employees. But something quieter. A system architect. Someone who designs intelligent workflows that operate in the background. Think about what that means. In the past, scaling required people. More employees, more management, more complexity. But AI systems scale differently. Once the architecture is built, growth becomes a technical challenge instead of an operational one. Instead of hiring 10 people, you upgrade the system. Instead of expanding offices, you connect new data sources. Instead of building departments, you deploy new AI agents. The entire structure of entrepreneurship begins to shift. But here's the twist most people don't expect. The real advantage isn't speed, it's focus. When entrepreneurs remove the constant noise of operations, something powerful happens. They start thinking like engineers again. They ask deeper questions. How can this workflow become autonomous? How can this decision become algorithmic? How can this process improve itself over time? Every improvement makes the system stronger, and every improvement multiplies its output. One system becomes a network becomes an ecosystem, and suddenly, a single entrepreneur is operating something that once required an entire company. But there's an even bigger reason smart entrepreneurs are moving in this direction. Startups are fragile, markets shift, investors change priorities, competition explodes overnight. But systems are adaptable. If one strategy stops working, the system can shift to another. If a platform changes its algorithm, the system adjusts. Instead of collapsing under pressure, it evolves. That flexibility is becoming the new competitive advantage. And the entrepreneurs who understand this aren't chasing trends anymore. They're building infrastructure, digital machines that produce research, insights, content, products, or revenue continuously. Machines that get smarter over time. Machines that compound value. It's the difference between building a single business and building something that can create many businesses. That's why some of the most forward-thinking founders today aren't introducing themselves as startup founders. They describe themselves as system builders, people who design intelligence rather than manage labor. And as AI tools continue to improve, the gap between traditional businesses and intelligent systems will only grow wider. 10 years ago, launching a startup required funding, a team, and months of development. Today, one person with the right systems can build something globally scalable from a laptop, not by working harder, but by designing smarter. And the entrepreneurs who understand this early are positioning themselves for a very different future. A future where the most valuable skill isn't managing people. It's designing intelligence. Because in the coming decade, the biggest opportunities may not belong to the largest companies. They may belong to the individuals who quietly build systems powerful enough to run entire businesses on their own. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how AI is changing entrepreneurship, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because the future of business isn't just about startups anymore. It's about the systems that will replace them.